friends, welcome to my channel My Kids My World, and today I am here to explain about my personal head shave experience in English. Why? Because this is the most requested video in my YouTube channel. Earlier I used to get messages from Facebook as well as in Insta, but this time I am getting many of the comments in my YouTube channel, so I don't want to drag it so long. That's why I am doing this video. Most of the people I got texts from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, and they are requesting me to post in a video in Tamil or else Hindi language. But I'm really so sorry, I don't know Tamil, and Hindi I can understand but I can't speak fluently. As you all know, Hyderabad Hindi how it will be like Urdu mix. I don't want to merge the both languages, so that's why I decided that I can explain my head shave experience in English so that everybody can understand and reach my experience. That's how today I'm here to explain my head shave experience in English, as it is a requested video in my YouTube channel. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Ramya. I'm a housewife. I'm a mother of two children, one daughter, one son. Daughter name is Hadvika. She is of 3 years old, and son name is of Advait Ram. He is of 1.5 years old. So my head shave started with my son. So before that, I wanted to share my experience. Initially, I went to Medaram. Medaram is a holy place which is located at Warangal district. It's a very small, most of the people not aware about it. But from my childhood, my father used to take us there and we used to believe a lot. So that's how we went to Medaram. And Medaram, along with my daughter's head shave, we went there, and there I wished for a prayer. Along with my son, I will come here and I'll give my hair. So that's how my head shave started. So my first head shave happened on June 14, 2019, along with my son head shave. We went to Medaram from here. Actually, we reside at Hyderabad, and we all went on June 14th morning, early in the morning around 6 AM, we started from my place. We hired a public transport bus. In that we went all with the family. It's almost around 24 people, I believe. We all went in a bus and we went there. Here from Hyderabad, we started around 6 AM. There we reached around 12:30 in the afternoon. So we went directly there to Jampanna Vagu. There we freshed and we directly went to the head shave. First, as it is my son's first head shave, my brother has to be there. In our family, there is a thing that uncle has to do. So on mama's lap, uncle's lap, baby boy has there, and first 3 scissors has cut by my brother. We went there, and my son's video I have, but unfortunately I couldn't capture my video. In that I will be in my wet hair. I will try to attach that video in this video, and that's how my son's head shave happened. After my son's head shave, I did my hair. So my experience is like I wanted to share each and everything because so many questions are arising in my channel. How was it happened, when it happened, and how was your experience? So I wanted to make it very clear, and it's in a small. I don't want to drag too much. First, initially the Baba asked me to wet my hair, as it was like almost here. It's very long. He asked me to wet my hair, so I went there and I wet my hair. Then he asked me to divide into 2 equal halves. So from here I divided my hair into 2 equal halves. Then he gave me 2 rubber bands. He asked me to tie a ponytail, so I did this one and this one. 2 ponytails I tied. Then after, he started from one side. Slowly he started from one side and he came around this side and he did completely. It took almost 6 to 7 minutes, I believe. Head shave. He did very fast because my son was crying, so he did very fast and as well as very nicely. I didn't even get any scratch or anything like that. It's like very smooth and nice manner he did. I was very happy. And why? Because I never thought in my lifetime that I will go for a head shave, because from my childhood I never did. I did so many times before my knowledge, because before my knowledge my parents had did me so many times because they used to show me photos. but I never know that I did for a head shave like that. But with my complete full-fledged knowledge, I did along with my son's first hair. That's how I'm really little bit very excited and crazy, because I don't know from my childhood how people will think about me because I'm doing head shave, how they will look at me, or what will happen, how I look, is it okay or fine. I have so many questions in my mind, but I never did I never think about anything second thought. My complete vision was like, I have to do head shave. Even my husband told me, "Arey, why you want to do head shave? If you want, I will do it myself twice, but you don't do." But I said, as it is my promise and my prayer, I wish, so I have to do it of my own. So we went there and I did, and people, all our family members are really were crazy, and they're just looking at me like this. Arey, nijanga. They are thinking that whether she will give or not, but once I'm like Gundu, no, everybody was so surprised, and we had some, as we went with the whole family, there was no time to take pictures, but 2 pics I have taken before and after, because as my son will be always with me, no, we did a selfies. I'll try to post in that. Family pic also we took 4 of us, me, my husband, baby girl and baby boy. Try to attach that. That was my first experience, and that will be like going crazy. This is like lifetime memory, because I never thought, and it happened into my practical life, and I'm very so happy. Then after we had some fun. Then after the good head shave, immediately we took a room and we went there, we got freshed up. Then after we went to temple, we had darshan, nice, we had very peaceful and happy darshan, as it is like very afternoon, noon time. We went there and we had everything peacefully. Then after from there, coming back to the room again, my elders in the family, they cooked everything like mutton, chicken and biryani. So we had full too. And after that, after having our lunch there, we sat for almost half an hour there, and we just chilled out. Then after, we started from there around like 4 o'clock. 4:30 we started from there again back to our home, because we didn't stay there. We started and we reached here by 11:30 or 12 o'clock in the midnight. Then we got and really fresh. That was like happy moment and happiest journey we had with all the family. And my son was really very happy. He supported me very well, because he was very small. It was like summer. He didn't had a habit of going out, but he supported me very well. And that's how my first experience I had. And I never hided my head. Putting like chunni or dupatta or cap, because usually I'll be always at home, so I don't have to do all the stuff. Whenever I'm going for a vaccination for my babies or else going out, then I used to just carry my dupatta and I used to go there. And it was like happy. I never hide it, because I never feel that I never feel shy, because it is my full-fledged wish and prayer which happened practical. So I wished and prayed. That's how my first head shave. Actually, I only planned for one head shave, but second and third happened accidentally. How is because I'll let you know. In a thing, when I did head shave for my baby daughter, first one, we gave it in Tirupati, then Vemlavada, then Medaram. 3 times in a year. So same process goes with my son as well. So what happened is like before 1 month after the first born hair, before the 1 month only we have to do second head shave. So that's how what happened is like we have to go to Tirupati. But as my husband couldn't get leaves, and so due to some reasons we went to Vemlavada. Second happened because we all 4 went to Vemlavada. There my husband, daughter and son, only 3 people are having head shave. So in our culture, stating that if we are doing a new project or anything like that, something if really want to happen in future, not 3 people are suggested. For any work or small things also, not 3 people are suggested. So I thought, only these people, so let me have it. That's how I had my second head shave. It's not planned actually, it happened accidentally. So there I gave for the second head shave in Vemlavada along with my son. Then after that head shave happened on 11th July because first head shave happened in 14th June. So before 14th of July we have to do a second head shave. That's how we planned, and we went to Vemlavada on 11th of July. We had a second head shave. That's how my second head shave also done. Okay. Then again we went to Tirumala, Tirupati, because we went by walk from down to up. We went on walk, and that too we not had a small one, we had a big one. Pedda Padam antaru. It's almost like 8 to 12 kilometers. So we had, along with my two kids, we had by walk only we went to Tirumala. That's how my third happened. As it is like only 3 people are having, again I joined with them and I had my third head shave, and successfully, completely, we had my 3 head shaves have been done. That's how my head shave experience. And what is the difference for me, especially my personal experience before hair and after hair is like, before hair, always my husband used to pull my leg, stating that, "Hare, tell me when you are wearing slipper, I will just get ready." Because I am the only person who is to get ready very late, because most of the time it takes for me to tie hair only, because I don't like the hair. So for styling and all, to create different, I used to comb my hair very long. So my full makeup tutorial, I used to take so much of time only because of my hair. So that's how. But after my hair, after my head shave, what happened, he changed his words, stating that, no, let me ready first, because you will get ready very fast. Let me get ready first, then after you go and get ready, because things have changed so quickly. Earlier he used to say me that whenever you are wearing chappal, no, at that time you please tell me, so that I will go and get ready. But this time what he said is, no, you please don't go, I will get ready first, then after you go. Because I am the only person who is to do very late with my hair, and I am the only one person who is to get ready very fast after my head shave. So that's how I understood. Most of the girls, I believe most of the girls' problem will be the same thing, because everything we will get ready first, but the only thing is hair. Hair takes us so much time and it's so long. If we have a long hair, no, so we have to think and all, everything, no, for that only most of the time will take, I believe, my personal experience. Then after, I felt very happy, and as it is like summer, no, I really felt very cool and happy, because no need to get ready all the time, comb my hair, no need to apply oil all the time, because if you have a long hair, there will be a procedure, we have to take precautions for that, because we have to put oil and we have to comb it properly. Everything, all the stuff takes place when we have hair. But after my head shave, no, I really felt very happy, and like I'm just flying in the air. You don't even believe. That's all about my 3 experiences. As I told you, my first head shave experience happened in Medaram, which is at Warangal district. There goddesses Sammaka, Saraka will be there, and that Jatara will also takes place every 2 years, not every year. Every 2 years there will be Jatara for her. That's how it is my first head shave. Along with my sons, I did my first head shave. And second is like, we went to Vemlavada. There I did my second. It's not planned, it's happened accidentally, because my husband, daughter and son, only 3 people are having. So I joined personally, because I don't want to happen it is like 3 number. So I intentionally went and I did my second head shave. In the same way, we went to Tirupati. Tirupati also, from down to up, we went by walk along with our 2 kids, and my kids have really supported us very well. And in fact, my son was almost 10 months old. Then he started climbing steps of his own, and I also captured few of the videos. If I find that videos, no, I will definitely try to attach in this video. That's how my third head shave happened in Tirupati. Along with my 2 kids, we went by walk to a height. After darshan also we took 2 times, because as if we are having first darshanam, we went because in the evening we came by walk, no, there was like special thing by walk, they will to send some different way. Evening we had that darshanam. Next day early in the morning, what we did is, before 1 year old baby will be there, no, then we have a special darshanam allotted to below 1 year baby, so we went to that darshanam as well. So total 2 darshanam we did in Tirupati, and that was very happiest journey we can believe, because Kivi Papa explained about our trip, and my son, he actually climbed off his own almost like 30 to 40 steps. He climbed off his own, not continuously, 1 hour, 2 hour, in the gaps when we have some intervals of time to sit, no, then he used to climb, and I really enjoyed it very well. And we also try to capture the videos. So that's how my experience is. So I request my all the subscribers to watch this video, which I really tried hard to explain this in English. I believe you can understand me what my experience and why I did head shave and for what reasons it happened into 3 times. I think your questions have been cleared in this video. So please try to watch this video. And if you have any doubts or anything, questions, no, you can ask me in my channel. And before that, I request everybody, I recently opened a YouTube channel for my memories. So if you like my videos, please encourage me and support me by subscribing to my channel, My Kids My World. And also, I need your blessings. Thank you. This is all about my 3 head shave experiences which happened in 3 different places. First one happened in Medan, second one Vemlavada, and third one happened in Tirupati. So hope you guys like my videos and clear about my head shave experiences, about the questions raised in past, stating that why you did head shave and what happened in a year 3 times. So this is all about my head shave experience. Hope you guys liked it, and most of the people are requested, that's why I'm posting this video. And for my latest updates, please subscribe to My Kids My World. And if I plan anything future in my head shave also, I'll try to upload in my channel. So in this video, I wanted to mention very clear, I really never thought that people are so crazy about women head shave, but as I posted a video in my channel, I really got so many views. It's like very good views in my for my head shave experience video. So because of that reason, I posted it for my memories. That also few of my subscribers requested. Because of that reason only I posted. But I came to understand how people are crazy about women head shave. Really, I learned a thing which I don't know. I'm really very happy and glad to share my experience, and if I plan anything like head shave also, I'll try to post it in my video. This time I'll make sure I'll shoot a video. So hope you guys like my video. Bye bye. See you in next video. But please don't forget to subscribe my channel, My Kids My World. Bye bye. See you in next video. Keep smiling.